guys, we're preparing boodle fight for tonight for the kids. And where are the people here?
I'm here, Mom.
Yaya, saan ka pumupunta? Ano ba? Ano? Oh, preparing boodle fight for the kids. Yaya, ano tong ginagawa mo na to?
Nagpe-prepare.
Putting these banana leaves.
Yeah.
And you know what?
Plate.
I hope the kids will like what we will prepare for them. And Yaya, hindi ni alam ni Allison anong boodle fight.
Oo nga po. Nagtatanong nga po siya.
She's asking Mom what's boodle fight. And guys, look at my herbs. And this is our ashitaba, which I got from Tagaytay. You remember, guys, from the gourmet farm. And these are the food that we're gonna ihaw. Disclaimer, the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun.
Of course.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we're going to have boodle fight with the kids and Philip, of course, and we're preparing it for them. And you know, I don't know also, Yaya will just help me do this. And you see, we have pa banana leaves here. So Yaya, gawin natin yung totoong boodle fight, ha? We'll teach my kids how to use their hands, how to...
Pero tingin ko parang ayaw yatang kamayon.
Oh, they have to do that para matutunan nila yan, Yaya.
Okay.
And look guys, look, we prepared this. Look at my herbs. Yaya, you remember, this is ashitaba. This is the...
From Tagaytay.
Yes, from Tagaytay. That's anti-cancer, anti-ulcer, anti-everything. This and this are my basils.
Dill.
Dill. And this is our... Hindi pa natitrim.
Basil.
People will say, trim nyo na yan, Mom. This is mint. Wow, look at this. Ang bango. Yaya, this is...
Coriander.
Coriander. Ang bango, oh my gosh. Look, this is mint. And guys, these are the food that we're going to grill. Guys, iihawin namin to. And I'll be the one to put all those recados inside this fish.
Ano po yan, Ma'am?
Yaya,
ano
this
po
one
yan?
is what's this?
Pork
liempo, chicken legs, bangus, tilapia. Oh my gosh, we have ito, Yaya. And Sir's favorite is puset. And Yaya, ito, dito tayo mag-grill later, ha? Yaya, magsa-start na tayo.
Opo, Ma'am.
Nasaan na si Amelia? Sige, pauna natin. Pauna natin, Yaya.
Ayan.
Hi,
ayan
Yaya.
na. Hi, Ma'am.
Hi, we're cooking na. Also, okay. This one. Okay, we're doing the bangos, inihaw. Okay pa? Here. Okay. And we'll put this, Danor, where?
Potato.
That's not so healthy, but let's put a little bit here. Okay. So, what do we do, Yaya? What do we do, Kao, Yaya?
Ayan.
So here, guys, look, I'll put this here.
Yan.
How much? Okay, and this one. Oh, I'll make halo dapat, no? Dapat we mix na kanina pa.
Okay lang yan kapag ganyan.
And, okay, and this one.
Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
This is mabango, ha? Okay na to. So, Yaya, it's open. How do we do this?
Balot po yan natin sa
Babalot
sa
natin.
foil.
Sa foil, okay. O Yaya, papadot sa foil. Like this? It's really like this?
Yes po. Patong mo muna dyan sa
Here.
Yes po.
Okay. So, another one. So, Yaya, come here, help me. Para naman, the kids can eat na. Oh, yeah, ihawin nyo na yung mga, yung chicken at saka yung pork. Sige, ihaw na.
Ang galing naman ni Ma'am.
Siyempre. Okay, these are for my kids, eh.
Ito yata yung...
So, Yaya, hindi ba to ano? You don't... Diba before tinatahi to? Tinatahi ba to, Yaya, or no?
Need na? Okay na.
Ibalot lang
Sa
natin
foil.
sa aluminum.
Okay, we need to wrap the bangus here. Yaya, the bangus kasi is so big eh. It's very big. So, Yaya, with this, what will we do pa with this? Are we gonna, ano, are we going to put? Oh, here. What do I put here? Naku, wala na tayong tomato. Kumuha na lang tayo dito. Oh.
Ay, oo nga. Bakit naubos mo, ma?
Oo. Kumuha tayo. Okay, here. Kasi guys, wala na. So, bawasan nung sa bangus, ha?
Inubos ni Ma.
Ito pa. Lagyan pa yan natin.
Yaya, it's kulang. O, kumuha ulit tayo. Kumuha tayo.
Hindi, okay na yan. Okay na yan. Oo, hindi naman as in na sobrang dami yung
Okay. Oh, so here, I put na. So, all of that pala lalagyan?
Oo, teka lang.
Pati this one.
Para ano.
Oh. So, ano pa lalagyan ni Yaya? Okay na? Dahito, lalagyan pa?
Hindi na. Hindi na. Ihaw lang.
Ihaw lang. So, I hope the kids will like the food we're preparing for them.
Magugustuhan nila ito, ma'am.
I hope they will like it. And kung yung bibigyan ng spoon and fork,
Talagang papakamayin
papakamayin ko sila. Kaya lang, ang problem, baka hindi kumain. And, ano to? Luto na? Lulutuin.
Lulutuin to.
So, we're done putting all this, ano na. Okay, dagdag naman ulit dito, ha?
Sa uli yung ano.
Put back. Okay, dito pa. Wow, this is so big. The bangus. Okay, Yaya kayo din, ha? Eat that, ha? Oh my gosh, I can show them this, oh. Look, my gosh. Oh my God, I love Allison is there. Look. Hi, Allison. You don't have food yet. Ang bait. Very cooperative. So, we're grilling the chicken. So easy lang pa. Ang dali lang palang mag-ihaw, no? So, Allison, what do you want to bring? There's buko juice and dalandan. Hi, visitor. She's my visitor, look. Hi, visitor. Oh, show. Allison, we'll do Boodle Fight. Do you know what's Boodle Fight?
Yeah.
Why? Did you search it na?
No, I know it.
You were asking me what's Boodle Fight. Oh, I'll give you buko juice. What do you want? Hi, Allison.
Hi.
You'll do Boodle Fight with me, ha?
Yeah.
Okay, good girl. Wow! So, Yaya, matagal pa yan? The kids are calling na. So mabango. Oh, this is the iwan that Ate gave us, no?
Opo, ma'am.
It's nice, ah. Yaya, pati pala tilapia, you have to wrap it in a foil.
Yes, po.
Akala ko yun lang bangus. Oh my gosh, it's so malakas. Oh, so mausok. I'm so naiiyak na. Whoa. Nasaan, no? Banana leaf. Ay! Ayaw ayaw ni Sir Palagay. Ayaw pala ni Sir Palagay.
Luma na yung banana.
Yaya, luma na daw yung banana leaf. Ano ba yan? Hindi, kasi Yaya binurn natin para malinis. Kaya, ay lanta. Sir, feel ano sabi mo?
Lanta.
Sabi niya lanta daw. Oh my God, fail.
Talaga, para hindi mapunit.
Okay, fail na naman tayo. Gusto ni Sir Philip sa plates na lang. So, wala na. Plates na lang, plates. Okay. Hello, Allison. Cutie girl. Ay, nako, Kobe. Anong ginagawa mo sa buko?
Okay ba matulog ng naka-aircon?
Okay na, sir.
O, Yaya, ano?
Okay po, sir.
O, Yaya, ano
Hindi
yung...
ka maiinitan.
Ay, nag-aircon na kayo?
No, sorry.
Anong plates? Anong plates? We have to put plates na lang. Ayaw nilang mag-boodle fight. Ayaw nyo talaga ilagay sa lift para makakamay yung mga kids. Let's teach them.
Ma'am, hindi mo na dumig.
Ha? Sabi niya pa, no, ganyan tayo. Fresh yan, kaya lang, binur namin. Fresh yan.
Kasi may ano yung singit.
Kailangan kasi ano.
Gusto niya yung
Kailangan
buo.
buo.
Pero yung ano, ito, dito na lang ilalagay.
Ayan, nagtuturo si Sir, sabi, dapat buo yung leaf. Yaya, tama naman, dapat buo yung leaf. So, Yaya, ano? Buo daw yung leaf. Pero, ano, pakamay natin yung kids? Let's see.
Hindi yan magkakamay, ma'am.
Eh, kasi naman talaga naman, walang presentasyon yung down natin.
Down natin, puro mga...
Guys, talagang fail kasi tingnan mo naman yung dips namin. Alang kaganda-ganda. No, this is new. Kinuha namin sa clubhouse. Ang problem, no, si Yaya kasi binur niya para daw clean and matibay.
Ano ito, dalandan?
Yes, that's the London juice. Si Yaya talaga hindi pumayag. Talagang nag-budal fight.
The coconut na to.
Sige, let's see later. Sabi,
Bakit tinalo yung rice?
Para hindi
kaya nga hinalo kasi budal fight talaga yan. Budal fight, minimix mo. Bigla akong na-stress. No, minimix talaga. Pag budal fight, mix. Mix plain, mix java rice.
Sila nila kaya mag-boodle fight.
Hello, Phil. Sino magbubudal fight? Tayo, hindi na.
Oh, pwede, sir.
Yaya, magbudal fight kayo.
Tapos sila yung video mo.
So, sila na lang ang mag-vlog. Okay, okay. Yung budal fight nating lunch, naging dinner. Okay, we can eat na. Can you call the kids na? Busy rin sila sa kusina, sa
Boboy,
babae.
akit ka na upuan. Diyan kayo kumain.
No, meron dyan. Yung ghost chair. Yung ghost chair, ilagay nyo dyan. And then, kayo mag-budal fight. Babe, wala nang plate. Use your hands na. Now, you can eat na. Start na. No na, you eat na. Ton, Allison, eat na. TJ, you're late. You eat na. Walang plate, walang spoon. Sit down, use your hands. Walang plate, walang spoon. Okay, get your food now. We'll do the budal fight. Wash your hands. There, we have faucet. Wow, game si team. Very good. O, eat na.
Pwede kumain with the plate.
With plate. O, sige na nga. O, ilabas na yung plate.
Kasi pangit ng, pananalit.
Guys, okay lang. O, look naman kasi siya.
Where did you get this?
Oh, no, we got it from the clubhouse. It's fresh. It's fresh. No, we burn it.
Why?
Because Yaya said para clean and it's,
Yeah, it's clean from...
it's not, it won't, tear down. So, kailangan daw i-burn. Wala. They want plate. Give the plate na.
You got that across?
Ayaw talaga. We got this across. This is fresh. We got it from the other side. Okay. We really have a plate naman. Wala. Kailangan. Okay. Okay. Use your kamay, ha? Ay, si Mama nagsend ng kalapati.
Wow.
Okay. Okay. Open.
Pigeon.
Okay, here. So, si Mama nag-mix ng pigeon. O, sige. Lagay na lang sa
Kayo
dito.
kumain kayo dito, Diane.
Kain kayo dito, ha?
Sarap ng pigeon.
Yung pigeon. Hi, Mike!
Hi, Mom.
Okay, eat na. You're so late.
Looks delicious.
Yes, it's very delicious. Oh, go, wash your hands. Allison, come na.
This one ba?
Wow! May usok pa. Yeah. Wow, may smoke, oh. Babe, we have grilled, puset. Grilled squid, your favorite.
What's the difference?
The difference, this is java rice, that's bagoong rice. Okay. Timmy, very good. How's the food?
Good.
Good. Good boy. Say thank you to Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay, thank you guys too. Dayan, eat kayo here, ah. Yeah, Yaya.
Nabalatan kasi. Ayan, pinalistisan kasi.
Hey guys, what drinks do you like?
Whiskey.
Tim. No, what do you want? We have fresh buka juice. That's java rice and bagoong rice.
This one.
That's lumpia. Lumpiang Shanghai. Oh, favorite ni Sir Philip.
Squid.
Wow, the squid. Inihaw na squid. Allison, how is it?
Oh, I haven't tried yet.
Okay. Okay na ang magbudal fight, ha?
Opo, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. O, kulang pa kayo. Si Betty, nasaan? O, tulog na. Grabe.
Tapos si Kuya Freddy, tulog na rin.
Tulog na rin. Oh my gosh. Hello, guys. O ano, you like the food ba, guys?
Of course.
Of course. Thank you, team, for always very supportive of mom. Thank you, guys. Okay, Yaya, eat na, ha? O ako naman ang mag-budol fight. Ang sarap ng bagoong rice. I like this. This is so good. Yaya, who cook this?
Amelia. Kasi tinanong niya sa akin kung ano daw pagluto ng bagong rice. Sabi ko, gisa mo lang.
So good. This
Sabi
is
ko.
bagong rice. Kaya kayo mag-eat na, ha?
Apo, ma'am. Thank you.
I want to watch a time eating.
Why don't you do this na lang?
Ano na, Tim? Tim, I'll give you money.
Tim. Tim should do this na lang.
Say hi to my vlog, guys.
Hello.
Hi.
Bye.
Okay, saying bye. Okay, and that's it for tonight, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll eat na, guys, ha? Bye!
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
And Yaya, kayo din.
Ring those bells.
Eat na. Ring those bells.
Smash the like button.
Bye, guys! Hi, guys! It's me again. If you want to watch more videos, click here. And if you want to watch more videos, click here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
And cut.
Yaya, nasa nila, Chon? Ito na.